Welcome to Creative World viewers. Today I will solve exercise problem number 33. In this scenario we will be using electrical power formula, which is the product of voltage and current, and we also will be using passive sign convention theory. According to this theory, the element with negative power will be considered as power supplier and the element with positive power will be considered as power absorber. First, read the scenario. Compute the power that is absorbed or supplied by the element in the network in figure 1.33. This is the figure and we have to calculate the power of each element in this figure. So without wasting time, let's proceed towards solution. I have redrawn the circuit here, and first we will solve the left side loop of the circuit. Direction of current is indicated with blue arrows, which is following these black arrows direction. 4 ampere is coming here on this point and it is divided into 2 ampere in this way and 2 ampere in this way. Again this 2 ampere is coming in on this point and 2 ampere from here is coming on this point. So in this branch 4 ampere will be passing, which is the addition of this 2 ampere and this 2 ampere. Now start finding out the power of elements from this voltage source. Voltage source power will be voltage across it and the current through it. Current is 4 ampere passing through it, but the direction of current is entering from negative terminal and leaving from positive terminal. So this current will be taken with minus sign. So the power of voltage source will be 36 multiplied by minus 4 equal to minus 144 watt, and this minus is showing that this power is being supplied through this voltage source. Now calculate the power of element 1. Voltage across it is given 12 volt and current through it is also given 4 ampere. Here in this case current is entering from positive terminal and leaving from negative terminal. So according to passive sign convention theory, this current will be taken as positive. Its power will be 48 watt and this power is being absorbed due to positive sign. Power of element 2 is voltage across it 24 volt and current through it 2 ampere. Again the current is entering from positive side and leaving from negative side. So this current will be taken with positive sign. So the power of element 2 will be 48 watt and again this power is being absorbed because of plus sign. Voltage source is supplying power because of minus sign, and element 1 and element 2 are absorbing power. Now move towards right side of the circuit. In this side we already know this power, we just need to calculate this and this element power. First calculate the element 3 power. Here voltage across element 3 is 28 volt and current through it is 2 ampere. This current is entering from positive side and leaving from negative side. So this current will be taken with positive sign. So the power of element 3 will be 56 watt and this power is being absorbed by element 3 because of positive sign along with power. Before calculation of current dependent voltage source, we should have the voltage across this element. The voltage equation of this element is given 1 multiplied by Ix and the Ix value is 4 ampere. So the voltage of this element can be calculated by entering the value of Ix. 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4 volt. So the 4 volt will across this element. Now we have voltage across it and current through it. We can calculate the power of this element, which will be 4 volt across it and current 2 ampere. Now in this case the current is entering from negative side and leaving from positive side. So this current will be taken with minus sign. So the power of current dependent voltage source will be minus 8 watt. And this 8 watt is being supplied to the circuit because of minus sign. Element 3 is absorbing power because of positive sign with power, and current dependent voltage source is supplying power because of minus sign with it. So this was question number 33. See you in next video. Thank you.